This video, proudly brought to you by Worldwide Vending, explains how to clear a coin jam from behind the main control board on your Sorrento vending machine. Step 1. Open the front door. Step 2. Switch the power off on the vending machine. Switch the circuit breaker to the down position. Step 3. Remove the control circuit board cover by undoing the 4 small nuts that hold the cover plate on. These nuts should be finger tight, but if they are a little tighter, you'll need a pair of pliers or a 7mm spanner or socket to loosen them. Step 4. You will now have access to the main control board. Please make sure the power to the machine is definitely turned off before proceeding, as you may damage the circuit board if the power is still turned on. Step 5. Unplug the bottom connector from the control board. Step 6. Carefully undo the 4 small plastic nuts that hold the main control board. Be careful not to lose them, as they can be hard to see and easily lost if dropped. These nuts should be finger tight, but if they are a little tighter, you'll need a pair of pliers or a 6mm spanner or socket to loosen them. Step 7. Remove the control board by pulling it forward. Tuck the control board off to the side and out of the way, or ask someone else to hold it while you clear the coin jam. Step 8. Here you will see the inner coin slide cover. To remove the inner slide cover, gently squeeze the 2 retaining clips towards each other and remove the slide. The coins causing the jam should now fall free from the inner slide, clearing the blockage. Check that there are no coins remaining and that the slide is clear of any obstruction. Step 9. Clean the inner slide with a clean, dry rag. Step 10. Replace the inner slide cover by inserting the bottom tag into its retaining slot and clipping the slide cover back into place. Make sure that the cover is fitted correctly and securely. Step 11. Test that the inner slide functions correctly by inserting some coins through the coin slot on the front of the door. The coins should flow through to the coin return as the power is still switched off. Step 12. Reinstall the main control board, ensuring it is in the same position with the connector previously removed at the bottom. Tighten the plastic nuts to be finger tight only, otherwise you may strip the threads. Plug the bottom connector back in, making sure that you have lined the socket holes up with the pins correctly. Do not push the connector onto the pins at an angle. Instead, keep the connector level with the pins when you plug it in. Step 14. Replace the main board cover plate. Replace the 4 small nuts that hold the cover plate on. Tighten them to be finger tight only, otherwise you may strip the threads. Step 15. Switch the power back on to the vending machine by switching the circuit breaker to the up position. Step 16. Test that the coin mechanism functions correctly by inserting some coins through the coin slot on the front of the door. Ensure the coins are accepted and the total is registered on the display on the front. Press the coin return to recover your test coins. Step 17. Close the machine door when completed. By following these clear steps, you can easily clear a coin jam from the inner coin slide on your vending machine. However, if you do require any further assistance, please call us on 1300 386 609. This video was proudly brought to you by the team at Worldwide Vending, bringing you reliable service and product quality that we know you'll love.